So guys, finally everyone wonders, why should one come to village? Why should one come to all these jungles? The major thing is when you are tracking right from that village, that is Baskola, Amro Gaon, and you will be tracking through all the jungle, and this is whole jungle, guys. My friend, you can just show them the jungle, your wild jungle or wild animal, and there are few houses out there, but the tracking is actually just the tip of an iceberg, and this is just a starting point, guys. यो जस्ट हजुरलाई एक्लमेटाइज गर्नलाई हो, and there's a 2 hours of trekking from here, actually this point. So you can just figure it out how much challenging it might be for you. But the best thing is coming here, you get fresh water, fresh air. And our project and our vision is to visit all those beautiful places of Nepal, especially those village, jungles, and mountains that are spread all over Nepal, to explore the beauty, and not just to explore it, but make you experience that beauty and the village. And the proper goal is to create an ecosystem in that village, किनकि विलेजमा नै पर्यटन झरे, विलेजमा टुरिस्ट चाहे त्यो डोमेस्टिक चाहे इन्टरनेसनल आइदिए, देयर विल बी रेभेन्यू जेनेरेसन, त्यता इम्प्लोइमेन्ट जेनेरेसन हुन्छ, अनि धेरै मान्छेले रोजगार पाउनेछ, गाउँठाउँको विकास हुनेछ, एन्ड इन्टरनेसनली नेपालको ब्युटी सबैले देख्नेछ. नेपाल is not just famous for Mount Everest or not just for Lord Buddha, but also all this beautiful village. मान्छेले भन्छ नेपाली किन यति हार्ड वर्क, because they come from such places. They have seen all the hardships. They have to climb the mountain, they have to swim the river, they have to cross the places, and this is why people in Nepal are hardworking. That is why they are built differently. So experience this journey with me, and we welcome you to places like this where you will be created a different person, and a transformative journey is awaiting you. So we welcome you to Nepal's first jungle survival camp.